Hi, my name is Jasper and welcome back to my channel. Today's subject is chemistry. Today's topic is alkali metals. Let me write it down. You might be wondering, what are alkali metals? Alkali metals are elements in the periodic table that are found in group 1. They are lithium, I'll write that symbol right here, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, francium. Some of these symbols don't make sense, like Na and K. These words are Latin, so don't get confused. Now, the reason they're in the same group is because they have the similar properties. When they have similar properties, that means that when one thing has it, the other thing must have it as well. So, all these metals react vigorously with water. But as you go down the group, something happens. They get more reactive. They get lower boiling points and also melting points. Now, let's start writing some equations. Alkali metal plus water, metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. You might be wondering why I wrote alkali metal and metal. That shows that you can use any alkali metal that you can use in here. Let's say, for example, sodium. You can write it like this. Sodium plus water makes sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. When metals react with water, there are different ways. Lithium and sodium, they make bubbles appear in water. That shows a reaction is happening in water. Potassium, you see a lilac flame, which also means purple, flame floating on top of the water. It depends on the size. And then rubidium, calcium, and frankinium. The problem with them is they react explosively with water. That means when they make contact with water, they explode. Now, let's write another one. Alkali metal plus chlorine. Just to remind you, for the people who don't know chlorine is a gas that you normally find in pools to keep it clean. Makes metal chloride, which means you can do any metal. Let's say lithium plus chlorine makes lithium chloride. One thing I forgot to tell you, after the alkali metal has finished reacting with water, and you add universal indicator, which is a substance to tell how acidic or alkaline it is, it should turn the color purple, since they're alkali metals. This is the end of today's video, but please remember to like,